Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create a repo or a repository in your Azure DevOps project. So let's begin the video. First of all, log into your Azure DevOps account, and now you need to select that which project do you want to create the repo. In my case, I am in Wasay's AI Labs organization, and then I'm going to select the Talent Pick AI project. If you have multiple organizations, then select the organization and then select the correct project. In my case, I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected the project, on the lower left, you're going to have a button saying Project Settings. Just click on it. We are going to scroll down where we have repos and then repositories. Click on this button. Here, if you already have any repo, it will show it right here. If you want to create a new repo, just simply click on this create button. The repository type is Git and you can name it anything. So I need to make a repo for a backend team. So my convention is to give the project name and then just type .be. In your case, you can give your repo any name according to your organization standards. So once you have given it a name, you can add a readme file and just simply click on create. And now your repo has been created within the project in Azure DevOps. Other than that, you have these different tabs like settings, policy and security, which you can also play with for that particular project. So I'm not going to go into details regarding these different settings and policies, but yeah guys, this is how simple it is to create a repo in Azure DevOps. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.